Hi there. In this lecture, we'll discuss the usefulness of the AVERAGEIF function in Microsoft Excel. What this function does is that it returns the average of all the cells in a range that meet a certain criteria. Let's see an example. On screen, we have a program with sub-projects listed right here. The goal of this analysis is to find out what the average cost performance index, or CPI, is for the entire program. We only want to consider situations whose projects within the program are either underspending or overspending. So let's walk through an analysis here and go through an example. So first, we have here on our left the project number, the project description itself, and the associated CPI of that particular project. So if we want to find out what the average overspend on this program is, you can't just simply take all the values and average it out. You have to only consider the values that are under 1, which represents that there's an overspend on the project. So if I click here in cell F2, you see the formula here, AVERAGEIF C2. So you have the function AVERAGEIF. You're going to have the range C2 through C11. And then here you're going to have the condition, which is less than 1, because an overspend represents less than 1 in the CPI calculation. Open parenthesis, and you're going to see the first argument is the range. So what I can do is that I can take my mouse and select cell C2 through cell C11, enter a comma to move to the next parameter, and this is going to be the criteria. And what I'm going to do here is that you must leverage parentheses to enclose your criteria. So I'm going to open parentheses and I'm going to type in less than 1, close parentheses, close the formula, and then I'm going to press enter, and you're going to see there that I have the overspend average for this particular program. And the same thing follows here with this underspend formula. It's the same exact formula. The only thing is that you're doing greater than, because an underspend in the CPI world is greater than 1. So there you have it there. Now, whether you have an overspend or an underspend, your PMO may have thresholds where the severity can be measured. For example, if the overspend is 0.9 to 1, the program overall may still be in a green status. If it's between 0.8 and 0.9, the program might be in a yellow status. And if it's under 8, then the program is going to be in red status. Again, it depends what threshold your PMO has set forth to manage programs. And from here, once you have your overspend or underspend, and depending on the investigation you want to do, you can start investigating which specific projects are causing the problem and reach out to the associated project manager of those projects. The same system is applied to underspend, because if a program is underspending and doesn't need the extra money, this extra money can be given back to the organization to fund other programs looking for extra money. Then it can be investigated with the project managers as to why the estimations were so high. If you like this video, please go to my website, danriverapmp.com, and the link will be in the description. And once you're there, hover over the courses menu and then go to the Microsoft Excel for Project Managers course. Click on that and you'll be taken immediately to the banner. And once you click on the banner, you'll be taken to a video that will give you more information about this course. Thanks for watching.